In the shadowy realms of the digital world, a mystery persists. A question echoes through the corridors of cyberspace. Who is Satoshi Nakamoto, the enigmatic creator of Bitcoin? Today, we delve into a hypothesis that suggests the answer could be none other than David Schwartz, a name that reverberates in the world of cryptocurrency, famed for his role as the chief technology officer at Ripple Labs. But how far does his influence extend into the cryptoverse? Could he be the mastermind behind Bitcoin, the first and most trailblazing cryptocurrency? There are many pieces of evidence that suggest this could be the case. In 1988, long before the birth of Bitcoin, Schwartz filed a patent for a computer application that leveraged public computers to construct a chain. This concept is hauntingly similar to the underlying technology of Bitcoin, the blockchain, a system where transactions are recorded across numerous computers, rendering virtually impossible to alter or forge. However, to delve deeper into Schwartz's patent, we must look at the public records available on Google Patents. The patent, US 5025369A, filed in 1988, was for a multi-level distributed computer system for distributed processing. This system was designed to maintain data integrity and security, which are two core tenets of Bitcoin's blockchain technology. The patent further elaborates on a system that permits the execution of applications on a multitude of computers, a compelling nod to the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. The intrigue, however, doesn't end there. In 2023, Schwartz, along with Arthur Brito, filed another patent. Albeit the details remain confidential, it's clear that Schwartz's innovative mind was already at work in the realm of digital currency. David Schwartz's involvement in the cryptocurrency industry runs deep. His understanding of Bitcoin is profound, comprehensive. He is one of the few individuals who can explain the intricate workings of Bitcoin from the inside out. This knowledge isn't just the result of study, but rather suggests an intimate familiarity that only the architect of such a system could possess. Furthermore, Schwartz is a regular attendee of Satoshi conventions. These gatherings, dedicated to the creator of Bitcoin, are frequented with a certain religious zeal. One might wonder why such a dedication to the legacy of an anonymous figure. In the end, could David Schwartz be Satoshi Nakamoto? The evidence is compelling, though circumstantial. The patents hint at a mind at work on technology strikingly similar to Bitcoin's underlying system. His intricate knowledge, his dedication to Satoshi conventions, his enduring presence in the industry, all paint a vivid picture that points towards Schwartz. However, as with all mysteries, nothing is definitive. Perhaps the world may never truly know the identity of Bitcoin's creator. Furthermore, Schwartz's knowledge extends beyond the realms of Bitcoin. As revealed in an interview by What Bitcoin Did podcast, Schwartz talked about Ripple's XRP ledger. He describes it as a decentralized, open-source blockchain technology that allows for fast and inexpensive transactions, a feature that has been adopted by the Federal Reserve's FedNow service. This information adds yet another layer to Schwartz's potential connection to Bitcoin's creation. His influence extends beyond Ripple to include innovations that have been adopted by major financial institutions, suggesting a depth of knowledge and influence that only reinforces the hypothesis that Schwartz may be Satoshi Nakamoto. In conclusion, Schwartz's deep understanding of blockchain technology, his patents, and his influence in the cryptocurrency industry all point towards a potential identity as Satoshi Nakamoto. However, the lack of definitive proof leaves this theory in the realm of speculation. Who knows, perhaps one day we will discover the true identity of the creator of Bitcoin, but for now, it remains one of the most captivating mysteries of the Yet the search continues, as does the fascination with this digital enigma. As we delve into the secrets of the cryptoverse, we must remember that truth is often stranger than fiction. Who knows what other revelations await us in the shadowy world of Bitcoin? Until then, the mystery of Satoshi Nakamoto and the potential link to David Schwartz remains an intriguing piece of the cryptocurrency puzzle. As we journey further into the cryptoverse, we encounter a titan whose influence is far-reaching: Ripple. Ripple's technology, the XRP ledger, is a decentralized cryptographic ledger powered by a network of peer-to-peer servers. It's a marvel of modern technology, much like Uphold's vault. Uphold, a digital money platform, has a vault that is an epitome of security and reliability in the digital world. It serves as a perfect parallel for Ripple's technology. Both are safe, secure, and trusted by millions around the globe. Ripple's influence doesn't stop at Uphold. It extends to numerous companies worldwide. Household names such as American Express, Santander, and Standard Chartered are just a few of the many entities that have collaborated with Ripple. They use Ripple's technology to offer their customers faster, more efficient money transfers. One can gauge Ripple's popularity and influence by the sheer volume of articles and discussions about it in the crypto community, from Reddit threads to YouTube videos, from blog posts to scholarly articles. Ripple and XRP are a constant topic of discussion. This buzz indicates how deeply Ripple and XRP are ingrained in the cryptoverse. With such a vast network and influence, Ripple's technology, much like Uphold's vault, is a significant player in the cryptoverse. Its powerful technology and extensive collaborations hint at its potential to shape the future of digital transactions. But just how much of an impact it will have, only time will tell. Until then, we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cryptoverse.